Good morning, everyone. Well, I come down here to catch some sun, and the park is closed. What the? We had a hell of a storm yesterday, and it took out a pretty major tree here. And over there, you can see one snapped off at the top or halfway up. Wow. Well, they've shut the whole park down, and I don't understand why. This area is fine. They could have just taped all this off. I know they want to get up and get into these types of trees. They're call these types widow makers. Anyway, too bad. Okay, off to find another spot. The park ranger showed up, and so I had a quick conversation with them, and they said they'll have a truck in today or tomorrow. With all the wind, I would have thought that might have been down for a week. But all yesterday, while the wind was blowing real hard, and Lynn called it a signal number 3. Oh, I'm going to pull over here. I'm going to show you something. Stay tuned. Gives you a little bit of perspective on the wind yesterday. This is how pine cones get to the ground. It's also how you shake all the cobwebs out. But you get away from those trees and all of a sudden, nothing on the road. But I keep running into people with their leaf blowers, and all they're doing is taking all the stuff off their driveway and pushing all of it onto the road. One guy was even blowing it off his front of his property on the road and blowing it towards the neighbor's place. Oh well. Okay, now I'm going to turn around because just behind me is an entrance, and we will go explore that one. Wow, this little dead end spot is really nice. Got a seagull going over. Don't think I caught that. Okay, so straight ahead on the video is Mill Bay, and if we keep coming down, we can see Goldstream Heights up there. We looked for property a couple of years ago back there. And straight ahead on the camera is the Mill Bay Ferry, which we figured out the other day. And let's see now. The distance that I traveled means that around the corner, up on that point up there, not this near Barren Rock, is Coles Bay Park. And I can see now why I was a bit confused from Coles Bay as to why that ferry was there. Wow, this is wonderful. Very nicely secluded. Okay, let's grab some snippets of this area. Okay, I am minimum, bare minimum. It's well over a meter, but I'll say a meter. Wave crashing, maybe it brings it into here, but there's a wonderful little pool teeming with life. And they heard my little feet grind away here, and a crab just went underneath some of the little seaweed that's here. There are little fish all over the place in here. Now, if it was just crabs, I could understand it. But to see fish this high, very interesting. Oh, here we go. Couple of crab. Oh, I don't know what. Oh, there's a miniature. What is that? Oh no, that is a fish moving in that crevice there. And a couple more crab in there. Wow, this is just teeming with crab. Now that they're used to me being here, they've all come back out. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna wander down this this Martian landscape. Oh, right. I should turn around and say that's the entrance. And this is all off the Dead End section of Ardmore. Wow, that's a big tree. And this thing has had its life at the bottom here. Look at how wide it is. Just between there and there. But when you get around this side, I mean, half this tree is gone. Wow, that is a big tree. This is the trail that brings us down. And I'm going to go and grab my chair and I'm going to go sit on the beach. Later, Gators.